Hello guys, this is Azhar. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can build software for free using AI. So we will talk about the free AI by the name of Antigravity. It is by Google. So let's go to a computer screen. So just open Google and type antigravity.google. So the website will open. Just click on the download button. Then you will get multiple options to download anti-gravity. So I have already downloaded it for my Windows for x64. You can download it for Mac OS or Linux, whatever, like whichever you want. Then after downloading it, you need to install it in your computer. So I've already installed it in my computer. So I'll open it. So here is anti-gravity. So it is opening now. Let's wait. So as you can see, anti-gravity is open in my laptop. So this is the anti-gravity software and here is the agent. So first we need to open the folder in anti-gravity. So just click on open folder, then create one folder. So I'll name it anti-gravity and we will open it, select folder. So as you can see, the anti-gravity anti-gravity folder is open in anti-gravity software. So after that, just come in this agent and write. Make a website, or if you are building any software, you can write that also. Build a website for me. Name of the website is Azhar Khan. So I'm naming the website on my name. Make it and launch it fast. So there are multiple agents available: Gemini 3.1 Pro, Gemini 3.1 Pro Low, Gemini 3 Flash, and there are various clouds on it and various. So I will choose Gemini 3.1 Pro High and I'll click send. So now what will happen? The agent will start working and start building website for you. As you can see, it's exploring. So it's asking run node VJ, so I'm clicking on run. So the agent will do everything. You should know how to give prompt to this agent. So as you can see, it's writing code. It has made one file by the name of index.html for me. It's thinking for 11 seconds. You just have to give command and then wait. It's now creating style.css. It's now creating script.js. So now it's asking me whether I want to run npx minus ys, reject or run. So I'll run it. So now the agent is executing different tasks. Now it has opened Google browser. So as you can see, it has developed a great website for me in 5 to 6 minutes. Just look at it. It is so beautiful. You can improve it. Still the agent is running. Still it is developing the website. There is home button, about, work, contact us. So by talking with this agent, I can give different prompts to develop about section, work section, or if I want to modify the website, then also I can give commands. So isn't this the cool way to build your website for free using Google Anti-Gravity Agent? So if you want any help related to building your website or building your software, you can email me. My email address in the description, and you can subscribe me because I'll be posting videos related to tech, AI on this channel. See you. Bye.